No, no, no. I'm getting that little woodpecker right there.
What do you see?
A little woodpecker.
Oh, see if we can see it.
Huh?
Where is it?
In this tree right here, close to the.
Oh, I see it.
You see him?
It's on this side.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, good. You gonna scare it?
No, no.
You sure?
Oh yeah, he's good. I'm getting ready to walk up and see if that screech owl's up there.
Oh.
I saw him last year. I don't know if he's here this year, but I'm gonna go see.
Yeah.
Yeah, about halfway.
We had the babies.
Oh, you
in
did?
her backyard. Yeah.
Wow.
In April last year.
Oh, that's exciting.
Yeah, that was pretty exciting. For a
Yeah.
couple days.
Wow, cool.
Didn't last a full week, but a few days.
Cool.
It's so
So-
nice to see.
Hey, can I give you all a picture? Cause I got all kind of pictures. I got eagles, hummingbirds.
Do ya?
Yeah, here, go look. This is stuff I take around town too.
Oh, do you? Oh,
very
good for
cool.
you.
Very cool.
You know, I think it's so nice to be able to have photography as a hobby
Right.
when you have, you're looking
look at that.
something
Wow.
like this.
Wow.
Oh, a baby
We're
deer.
happy to look. We don't need to have
Oh,
you do
okay.
this one, but
Yeah, but I give them away. I give them away every day.
Do you? How
Aw.
nice.
Yeah, I get 10 copies of every picture.
Do you?
wow.
Yeah, and I do that over and over again. Plus,
Is
I
that
got my videos on YouTube too.
Oh,
Wow.
wow.
Yeah.
What's your name?
Oh, I'm Cottrell.
Hi,
Hi,
Cottrell.
Cottrell.
How are
Hi,
you?
how you doing? My pleasure.
Yeah.
I think you'd like to get to the Galapagos Islands and see some
Oh,
of those
oh my God, you just
species
don't
down
know.
there.
Look at that. That's
You know.
Yes,
really nice.
indeed.
Look at that.
That's really pretty.
Very cool.